Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Instagram, tap your profile, then the menu, settings, privacy, and finally activity status. Toggle off activity status to stop showing last active and the green online dot. This applies to all accounts you manage, and you will no longer see other people's statuses if your activity status is off. Turning it off is an immediate change. If you use a linked Facebook Messenger account, check Messenger settings separately. Remember, this setting affects visibility in direct messages and group chats across Instagram. To read DMs without appearing online, load the messages while online, then enable airplane mode and open the conversation. Read or copy what you need, then force close Instagram and disable airplane mode. Restrict specific accounts to limit their visibility. Go to the profile, tap the three dots, choose Restrict. Their new messages land in message requests and you won't appear active to them. For new contacts, let messages sit in message, requests to avoid typing indicators, or read receipts while you decide how to respond. Control story privacy by using close friends for selective visibility and by disabling save to archive if you want less traceable activity. Replies to stories can also reveal you saw content, so adjust who can reply in story settings. Avoid third-party apps promising invisible mode because they risk credentials and may trigger security flags. Prefer built-in settings. If you need to browse without linking activity to your main profile, use a secondary account or log out and view public profiles, remembering that comments and likes still reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.